Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Synapse is installed and you're signed in. This links profiles across devices. Plug in each Razer Chroma device to active USB ports and wait for Windows to enumerate them. Once devices appear, open Synapse and let it detect hardware automatically. If a device isn't recognized, try a different port or a powered hub. Make sure Synapse prompted for firmware updates and allow them. This prevents compatibility gaps before you move to lighting configuration. Next, you build a unified profile that will push lighting to every device. Open Chroma Studio or the Effects tab and create layers for keys, zones, and peripherals. This is where you define colors, animations, and timing. Once your layer stack looks right, use the Apply or Sync option and select every connected device so the same effect is assigned. If devices show separate tabs, use the Profile Assignment menu to attach that profile to each device, ensuring animations align across hardware. Finally, you confirm synchronization by using the Cloud Sync feature and testing animations across all devices. Watch for timing offsets. If effects look unsynced, restart Synapse, replug the devices, and reapply the profile. This often clears transient USB or software glitches. If problems remain, update firmware and drivers, and as a last resort, perform a device reset in Synapse. Troubleshooting tip: if a single device lags, isolate it on a different port or powered hub.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.